Any other questions you got for me, guys and girls? 15-minute time frame. Look how we had the break of structure, the retest of the break of structure, the continuation, all price action. Now TP1 has been now hit with AUDCHF out there. So far we're in a winning week on all of these trades that I've given out with this new strategy. I'll write down all of the trades in the thing. This is why I need the banners on here as well. Someone did say I should put the stats. I don't mind putting the stats. I did tell the person, but this is all just, it's literally me just seeing how the strategy works, finding out if there's any problems, how you should trade it better, how you should not. I've started to trade it on a small account, trying to do hyper growth. I actually traded, and me being completely transparent, I traded on that account on Wednesday, but that's where I saw that literally I tried to take like 5 different trades, people. I kid you not, me being absolutely transparent, and nothing stuck. Nothing stuck. Everything was just breaking, these supplies and flying everywhere. But there is one person on YouTube that has a very good explanation of something. I definitely suggest you check him out. I'm always trying to give credit to people as well. Doyle Exchange, probably a lot of people on here already know of him. He trades supply and demand strictly. Watching him for years now as well. For like 2 years now I've watched Doyle, you know, here and there, his videos. He doesn't trade supply and demand on Wednesdays basically. So my knowledge of Forex, I'm like, okay, this makes sense. And I've already explained this to you. This is more than likely why this is what happens to him on a Wednesday. On Monday, you usually have a consolidation. Think of every pair doing this, but not exactly every pair. Some pairs won't do this, yeah? This is called a midweek reversal week. On Monday, you're going to have a consolidation or a continuation from Friday's peak on the, let's say from the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, these breakouts are peaks being formed. Now we've had a 1 hour on Friday. This is how I caught GJ. There was a 1 hour peak buy, boom. So on Monday, it did buy up. It did this move on Monday for me. So GJ, I caught that move. Now you pull back onto Tuesday now, or a new peak is formed on Monday, and you can still get this continuation of this move, yeah? That's great. Now, when it comes to Wednesday, the problem you're going to have is there's a lot of whipsaw, as you can see from this candle here. So Wednesday, what tends to happen is they're either going to continue to trend these pairs like you saw on the JPYs, or they're going to do this thing where this is what the USDs did, which was extremely confusing. They've bought up instead of selling back down to create a new peak, and then they've basically bought back up again. So they kind of sold down, bought up, sold down again, and then brought up again today, you see? So this causes an issue. But then what I did see with those pairs, this is as well why I've added stop hump one, is that a lot of those pairs that were doing that on the Wednesday were pairs that hadn't had a stop hump one alert appear. So they weren't basically weak enough to actually sell or buy. So again, Wednesdays are usually where they're trying to decide if they're going to create the high or the low of the week on a lot of pairs. So let's say there was 100 pairs, 75 of them might be creating a weekly high or a weekly low. So this is why I'm not going to be doing these Zoom calls or these YouTube lives on Wednesday. I'm not going to do them on Wednesday. Wednesday will be my off day, and then I'll come back. So I want us to catch the Friday creation, Monday, Tuesday, no Wednesday, wait for them to set these peaks. That's what AUDCHF did. It created this peak yesterday, boom, and now we're seeing a reversal. Simple. So if it keeps selling, that's what we saw. And this is, hopefully there's more winning trades that way. And you can't trade 5 days a week anyway. Come on, guys and girls, you've got to pick one of the days that seem a bit odd and you just don't trade it. And now we're seeing this on AUDCHF just to show you that I'm not waffling. You can see AUDCHF right here. This is all live training for you right there. So when was this? 1 minute 40, 1 hour 40 there. So let's go into the week. I'll just use this indicator, helps me week, just helps me see the weekly cycle right there, boom, and there you go. So look here, you seeing it? Look, if I'm waffling, please let me know. Look, guys and girls, consolidation, pull down, Tuesday breakup, midweek formed here on the Tuesday to the Wednesday, pulls down, comes back to a supply area, continuation of a sell right in front of you. Exactly what I just explained there is right in front of you. It's really that simple, guys and girls. Consolidation, fake sell, pull up, creates the high of the week. They could do it Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. I'm not saying they only do it on Wednesday, but this one did go into Wednesday. You can see here 8 a.m. in the morning. So right there, so 6 a.m. in the morning. Sorry, is it 8 or 6? It's lagging a bit. Well, anyway, this time here, boom, created the peak for the week, allegedly. We have to say allegedly unless it obviously goes to our take profits. And then now we're seeing a pullback to the supply and the sell. So let me know if that's making sense to you, guys and girls. Let me know. AUDCHF is now hit TP1, running towards TP2. Live-o like 5-0 on the live again.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.